Divas, I got my order today, done painting with sparklers. I can't wait to show you what I've got. Let me dig all this good stuff out here. Done painting with sparklers from Tina Girl. Let me see. Yep, I have a thank you packing slip and a thank you washi, and this says diamond painting with sparklers on it, and a thank you little pot of pink wax. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Miss Tina. I'll save that one for last. These are, I got 2 packs, 2 kits. No, wait. One is called one's called Bubbles. One is Wonderland Edition. And a Blinging in the New Year edition. So I got 3 different sets. And they come in these really pretty little bags. They, what she does is she sells sets of them. And they all have a theme. So if you want to get extra sparklers, it's really fun to start with a theme. And some candy. Okay, this one came with these sparklers, a blue and a white, the star sparklers. Winter Wonderland set. These are squares. I got squares. They don't have that many square sparklers. So these are the crystals. Aren't they beautiful? They're all in blues, in sparkly blue colors, and they label the colors on top. This is a crystal metallic, cyan it's called, and snow. Now these are rounds that are in the size of squares. Okay, they're round, but they fit in a square peg, a square hole. And these are the same thing. They are black, a navy blue sparklers, and they come in the size of squares. So I have to be careful when I put them away. If they stay that one. That's the Winter Wonderland pack. Okay. I got a big tray. This is diamond painting with sparklers. On this set, let's open this one first. It's another one of those. This must be the, which set is this? This was probably the bubble set because it looks like it's, and more candy. Yeah, okay. These are the same thing. These are rounds. This is a seahorse, it's called. This is the bubble set. Oasis. It's a green. Flamingo. Now that's a bright pink. Wow. A river. It's a blue. Very pretty blue. Terra for like earth or terracotta. Starfish. A yellow. Luna, which is a very iridescent. It's a different kind of sparkler. It's clear. It's like a bubble. It's like a deep bubble. Beautiful. And this is Splash. And that's the teal blue. That's pretty. That's like the mermaid edition. Bubbles. And the last pack should be Blinging in the New Year, 2023. So, I didn't do the challenge, Blinging in the New Year, this year. I did it in other years. Okay, so this is square, and the goodies I got are a sticker, some diamond stickers. One just says sparklers on it. And these are 5mm silver. They have like that star in the middle. It comes with her card and all her contact information on the back. And this one is a Mary Mud. It's called Unicorn Farts. With a code for % off the back for Mary Mud. Thank you. And oh my gosh, look at this purple. Oh my gosh, can you see that purple? Ooh, a teal. And these are the DMC numbers, I believe, on them. DMC color code. Yellow. And a pink. And like an orangey pink. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And I got something else. I want to show you this kit that I got with it. It's called the Butterfly Training Kit. Basically, and this is going to be my next project after I finish. A second, I'm going to put these over here so I can put them away. Yeah. Alright. Alright, this is the Butterfly Training Kit. So let me open it here. Alright, this should include the canvas, a diamond tray, a drill pen, and painting mud, it says. This is the finished, can you see that? The finished butterfly. Tina has them on her website, Diamond Painting with Sparklers website, that you can see how she's doing it. And I'm going to roll this back the other way. Alright. Her theme is Don't Let Anyone Dull Your Sparkle. Legally licensed. Alright, so there are 13 different gems in here. And it comes with not just the drills. It comes with the drills, but it also comes with, oh, alright. Yeah, these are the drills. It comes with the replacement kit. And the replacement kit are different kinds of sparklers, and it's supposed to train you as to what different sparklers are out there, the different types, and where they might be a good fit on your canvas if you want to trade them out for different things. So, let's see. It says there's a half pearl. Wow, ooh, they're different. Alright, there's a half pearl that's a white. There's, I don't know, that's the check mark. A half pearl that is a bronze. We've got quad cubes that are purple, a deep purple. 5200 AB and 973 AB. A Caribbean sparkler, Caribbean blue. This is called, well, it goes inside the butterfly. I don't know what it's called, but it's a yellow. There's a half pearl yellow. There is a purple AB. And these are interesting. these are sapphire slivers, they're called. And they take up extra room. Okay, so these slivers, they replace, if you watch her video on her site, it shows you where she replaces these. And I'm really interested in where the slivers go. I think they go in the middle of the butterfly, in different places where like the A's are. And it shows you how she replaced each of these on the kit, which I'm going to watch the video again and place them on here right where the video says before I do the rest of the drills here. It shows you what you can replace and where, just to give you some ideas on how to use your bling, on how to order bling and things like that. The kit that comes with it, now put these together here. The kit that comes with it gives it's a fairly big boat with a blue wax. I like blue wax, and a blue pen. And that is the kit. Look how pretty that's going to be. Very pretty butterfly. Very nice. Cool. Very cool. All right, I am eager to get started on this. I'm going to roll everything up inside of here to put it back in the box. So I thank you for joining me today for Diamond Painting with Sparklers unwrapping. And I have some yummy candy to use for next time. All right, thank you for coming by, Divas. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.